Hello! Today I'm going to talk about the Harry Potter Bertie Botts Every Flavor Beans. I am a huge Harry Potter fan, and for all you Harry Potter fans out there, you will appreciate this. For those of you who don't know what Harry Potter is, let me just quickly give you a rundown. Harry Potter is based on a series of novels written by J.K. Rowling, who's a British author and who is amazing. And they're for adults and kids, I'd say. Both ages, all ages love it. But Harry Potter is a young boy who finds out he is a wizard and is shipped off to Hogwarts, a school for wizards and witches and anybody who wants to study magic. And so he goes on a bunch of adventures and makes friends, and the books are incredible. The movies are great as well, and I am just such a fan. They have a bunch of really nice candy that the author created, and luckily they were made in real life for fans. Now, the average everyday person who hasn't read Harry Potter might not appreciate Bertie Botts' Every Flavor Beans because they have every flavor, and that means the good flavors and the bad flavors. They have everything from earwax and vomit and, rotten egg and booger. And then they also have the ones that you probably like a little bit more or you're used to. Banana and cherry and Tutti-Fruitti, and this can really throw people off guard if they really don't know what they're getting. But I like to think it's like a candy Russian roulette, so you never really know what you're gonna get when you try one. They also have the different flavors here on the side. I'll go into that in just a second. So I personally heard about this from the books, and I decided to look up, where I could find one. I like to host Harry Potter parties, and this is a great party favor for the guests. It's also a really fun game to play, and not really knowing what you're gonna get. People can taste these different, jelly beans. The original gourmet jelly beans since 1976, made by Jelly Belly here. They're the people behind this wonderful Harry Potter memorabilia. Come in 20 different flavors total. So their boxes are randomly assorted, and you may not contain every single flavor in one container. So to me, that makes it even more exciting because you really don't know what to expect. It can definitely fit in my pocket, which is nice. Sometimes I'll have it for snack time and I'll share it with my friends. And I like to surprise them with the strange flavors to see what they say or what they think. So that makes it definitely convenient. I wouldn't say it's a nutritious snack because it's candy. It's still really fun once in a while. I also can fit it in my purse every day if I want to. I get these in bulk, not bulk, but I get a few at a time at least because they're so small, and I go through them pretty quickly when I eat them. So it's in a cardboard box here, as you can see. It's a pretty small cardboard box, and this is in the shape of a bean, but you can kind of see the jelly beans inside it. So it kind of gives you a taste of what you're gonna get from the outside. When I bought it, it was wrapped in like a clear plastic, but I took that off for the purpose of the video. The box is blue and silver, kind of like it's embossed, like the title of a book, which I really like. Looks very fancy and elegant here with the frame. So very creative, and it fits the theme of Harry Potter, of course, with the wizards and magic. Let's look at the flavors here. Turn it around. So like I said, there are 20 of them. Earwax, Earthworm, Dirt. Let me see if I can stand this up. Cinnamon, cherry, Candyfloss, Booger, blueberry, black pepper, and banana. And on here it's grass, green apple, marshmallow, rotten egg, sausage, lemon, soap, Tutti-Fruitti, vomit, and watermelon. As I explained, the ingredients don't really have any nutritious value: sugar, corn syrup, modified food starch, and more. It is definitely not perishable. It lasts a pretty long time on your shelf or in your drawer or wherever you want to keep it. And it's small enough that you should be able to travel with it. But I would call your airline first just to make sure. They all vary. It has 120 calories. And I would suggest buying a few at a time just because they're so small. But if not, you just want a snack, that's fine. The novelty of this is definitely not that it's an everyday jelly bean kit. It's definitely not as pleasing when it comes to the flavors, but that's the fun. You don't have to refrigerate it, and you can dispose of the box as soon as you're done, or sometimes I like to keep things in it, like little, jewelry or whatever. It can also be a really cool gift box if you do have some jewelry. And it's definitely a good gift for Harry Potter fans and risk takers. So don't be afraid to try these and give them a shot. Jelly Belly, I feel like everyone should know Jelly Belly. They do so many different themes when it comes to jelly beans. They're the jelly bean factory, and their logo is on a lot of different packages with different jelly beans, whether that's, champagne flavored or Hershey's chocolate flavored, I don't know. But you'll find Jelly Belly on a lot of different products. So I would definitely check them out. As you can see, they have the Warner Bros. Logo on here. Yeah, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I wish you the best.